Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am bringing you the ultimate master guide for 2026. I am going to show you from scratch, step by step, exactly how to jailbreak your Firestick, install the brand new KODI 21.3 Omega, and then transform that boring, empty KODI player into an absolute beast using the fully loaded Xenon free build. We are not skipping any steps today. Even if you have never used a Firestick before in your life, by the end of this video, you will have a beautiful interface packed with retro arcade games, the newest movies, and live TV. Do not skip a single second of this video, because if you miss one security setting or spell the secret URL wrong, this will not work. Grab your remote, get comfortable, and let's build your ultimate TV setup right now. Alright guys, we are starting from the very beginning. First, we need the tool that lets us download KODI onto our TV. Go to your Firestick home screen, navigate over to the left to the little magnifying glass search icon. Click it, and just type the letter D. Instantly, the bright orange downloader app will pop up. Click it, hit the download button, and wait a few seconds for it to install. Critical warning: when it says ready to launch, do not click open. We have to bypass Amazon's security wall first. Just press the home button on your remote to go back to the main screen. Amazon tries to block us from installing KODI, but here is the cheat code to unlock your device. Scroll all the way to the right side of your home screen and highlight the settings gear. Go down and click on My Fire TV. We need a menu called Developer Options. If it's hidden, do exactly this. Click on About. Look at the name of your Fire TV stick at the very top. Take your remote and press the big center circle button 7 times extremely fast. Keep tapping until a tiny message pops up at the bottom saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Now press the back button on your remote just once. And boom! Developer Options is unlocked and fully visible. Click into your newly unlocked Developer Options. First, click on ADB Debugging and switch it to ON. Next, go down to Install Unknown Apps and click it. You will see our orange downloader app sitting right there in the list. Click it so the switch turns to ON. Perfect job! Your Firestick is now 100% unlocked. Hit your home button. Now let's go get KODI. Go to your apps list, the icon with the 3 little squares and a plus sign. Open up the downloader app. Go to the URL search box right in the center of your screen. Type in the official website. When the website loads, use your remote to scroll down and click the big blue download button. Scroll down the page until you see the little green Android robot. Click on Android. Now you will see a few options. Because we are on a Firestick, you need to click on the ARGB 32BIT version. The download will start. When the Android pop-up appears, scroll down and hit Install. When it says App Installed, click Done, and then click Delete, and delete again inside Downloader to throw away the setup file and save your storage space. Alright guys, you have KODI installed, but right now it is completely blank. This next section is the most important part of the entire video. I am going to walk you through the exact inside of KODI, step by step, to install the massive Xenon build. Most people mess up typing the secret URL or click the wrong button, and the whole thing fails, so do not skip ahead. Pause the video if you need to, take your time, and follow my remote clicks exactly. Let's turn this boring media player into an absolute beast right now. Open up KODI 21.3 Omega for the very first time. You are going to see a screen asking for permissions. Use your remote, click Continue, and when it asks to record audio or access your microphone, click Allow. Note: KODI just needs this to run its voice search features properly. It is totally safe. Now you are sitting on the main KODI screen. It's dark, it's empty, and there are absolutely no movies here. Let's change that. Just like your Firestick, KODI has a security wall we have to turn off. Take your remote and go to the very top left corner of the screen. Highlight the little gear icon, that is your settings menu, and click it. Now, go down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the box that says System. Look at the left side of your screen. Scroll down that list until you highlight Add-ons. Now, push to the right on your remote to jump over to the main screen and click on Unknown Sources. A warning pop-up will appear, asking if you are sure. Click Yes. Boom! KODI is unlocked. Press the back button on your remote just one time. You should be looking at the main settings screen again. Click on the folder icon at the top left that says File Manager. Go down and click on Add Source. A new box will pop up. See where it says the word less than. None greater than highlighted in blue. Click right on that. Listen carefully here, guys. An on-screen keyboard will pop up. You have to type this exact URL perfectly. If one single letter or dot is wrong, the server will block you. If it looks perfect, go to the right and click OK. Now look down at the box that says, Enter a name for this media source. Leave it exactly like that. Go down to the bottom of that box and click OK. Now press the back button on your remote a few times until you are completely back on the main empty KODI home screen. From the main KODI home screen, look at the menu on the left. Scroll down and click on Add-ons. Now look at the very top left corner of the screen. You will see an icon that looks like an open cardboard box. This is the package installer. Click that open box icon. Go down and click on Install from zip file. A box will pop up. Scroll down that list until you see DIGS 123 and click it. Inside, you will see a file. Click that file. Now, wait. Do not touch your remote. Keep your eyes glued to the top right corner of your TV screen. Within a few seconds, a little pop-up message will slide in saying, DIGS repository add-on installed. Once you see that success message, go exactly one step up on the menu you are currently on and click Install from repository. Click on DIGS repository. Go down and click on Program Add-ons. And there it is, guys! Click on Chef Omega Wizard. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click Install. If a box pops up showing Additional Dependencies, just click OK. Wait a few seconds for the wizard to download. As soon as the wizard finishes installing, a massive bright blue screen will pop up in the middle of your TV. It will say, there is currently no build installed. Would you like to install one? Click Yes. You are now inside the build menu. You will see a list of different setups. The first couple might say debris. Those require a paid premium account. We want the massive free version. Scroll down until you highlight Xenon Free. This is the one that has everything. Click it, and then go over and click Continue. Warning: the download process is starting right now. Depending on your Wi-Fi speed and how busy the Xenon servers are, this could take 30 seconds, or it could take 5 minutes. Put your remote down. Do not press any buttons. Just let the green bar go all the way to the end. Once it hits 100%, it will automatically start extracting and installing the files into KODI. When the entire process is 100% finished, a final pop-up will appear telling you to force close KODI to save the build. Click OK. KODI will completely shut down and take you back to your Firestick home screen. Do not open KODI yet. We need to make sure the massive new build doesn't crash your Firestick on the first load. From your Firestick home screen, go over to the Settings gear. Go down to Applications. Then click Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down until you find KODI and click it. Do not click Clear Data. If you do, you delete everything we just did. Instead, go down and click Clear Cache just one time. This clears the temporary memory and makes the build run super smooth. Now, go up and click Launch Application. Give KODI a little bit of time to boot up. It is building thousands of menus, movie posters, and categories for the very first time. And boom! Look at this, guys. Your KODI is completely transformed. You now have the fully loaded Xenon build. Scroll through the tabs. You have massive sections for free movies, TV shows, a family section, music, retro arcade games, and live TV. A quick piece of advice for my heavy sports and live TV watchers. The free sections in Xenon are absolutely amazing for movies and shows. But if you try to watch a massive live sporting event for free, it might buffer because thousands of people are using the same link. If you want zero buffering and perfect 4K live TV, you need a professional, dedicated setup like Mint IPTV or Pulse IPTV. But for an ultimate, all-in-one free media center, Xenon is king. Guys, we just completely unlocked your Firestick and turned it into an absolute beast for 2026. If this detailed guide helped you out today and you successfully got Xenon running, I really need you to do me a huge favor. Absolutely smash that like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is helpful, which helps this channel grow, so I can keep making these free guides for you. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update when these apps change. And drop a comment down below. Did you get it installed successfully? Which section of Xenon are you using first? I reply to every single comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.